Welcome back to another video. If it looks like I'm again drenched, it's because I'm sweating like crazy. It's really hot. I just helped my grandma do some gardening and it's freaking hot out here. Today's gonna be pretty interesting. We do have a new person joining Media Monday just for this week, maybe more. Introduce him whenever he gets here, whenever we go pick him up or whatever. Now I think Derek should be on his way here. I do have something to look for. There's a bee. Bee almost landed on my camera. If you didn't know, last week we didn't get it on camera, but I got fucking stung by a bee for the first time on my arm. I don't know if you could see it. I was like so shocked. I didn't know if I was allergic to bees either, because I've never been stung by one. So you know, if there was an allergic reaction there, I would have died. But it's all good. I'm alive. Anyways, Derek's on his way. I have something to install in the car today. It's not what I was talking about in the last video. That still hasn't shipped out yet, so I'm hoping that it comes soon. But I actually have some hood struts for the hood, because I don't know if you guys know, but on the 86 you still have the pop rod, which I mean on a new car that costs as much as it did. I mean it makes sense, I guess, because it's, you know, more raw of a car, so you know they try to cut back on things that you don't really need. But I did buy new hydraulic hood struts for the car, so I don't have to use that pop rod anymore anytime I have the hood open. So I have Derek on his way here. He's gonna help me film and maybe install it if I'm ever confused. It should be super simple. It's like a couple bolts and you literally just pop them on, so it should be super simple. So yeah, that's gonna be the basis of today's video. We'll just wait till Derek gets here. All right, we got Derek here. What's up? We got the hood struts. It's just the box. We're gonna put the box under, and then that's what keeps the hood up. I haven't watched anything or looked at how to install them, so we'll figure it out.
I'm gonna be the little kid like handing tools over.
Hold my fucking flashlight! No, right here! Bubble wrap. Wow. Made in Taiwan, not China.
Not Japan?
Not Japan.
It sucks.
Nothing is made in Japan, except for the cars.
Your car's not truly Japanese anymore.
Man, I doubt those headers. No, those headers are made in America.
Chitty.
They're the hood struts. They come. You can get them as carbon. Like, I don't know if it's real carbon. But they have like carbon pieces right here that you can get them as, but they cost like $40 more. And I was like, I'm never gonna see them really, so that's not worth it. So I just got the regular ones. You got the brackets, and then of course you gotta have the lube, because lube is important. You gotta get that movement. If you don't like use lube, sometimes like things like they grind against each other and it doesn't move smoothly. And I don't want that. Like when I'm opening the hood, I don't want to have to like use too much force. So a lube is very much needed. Stinger.
Okay, that shit was burbling.
So I think this goes on the hood, and this goes on like the car, and then you attach the struts to each of them. You got the one for the right, and the left one. They're all labeled. You also got the right bottom piece and the left bottom piece. When you're putting this on, you leave one bolt on so the hood doesn't fall if you're by yourself. So that's a tip for you guys.
So I'm expecting his hood to come flying off on our way to LA today.
Like it might break my windshield right now. That seems about right.
Yeah, it should. I feel like it should go higher up.
Higher up? Yeah.
Like that with the.
Yeah. Which might be kind of hard to get to now. That's why I'm doing this. I could put my hood up higher when working on the car.
Yeah, so he doesn't hit his fucking head. Did you tell him about the rest of the
It's supposed to come?
Yeah.
I said last week. I have something coming for it. I didn't
You say what it was?
No.
You guys want a sneak peek at what he's getting? Go over to my channel. I'm just kidding.
Are you saying that maybe you possibly bought some too for your car?
I did not. I have a girlfriend. I have to support myself and my girlfriend.
Nah.
It's literally been over a year because I've been so down bad on money.
So you got this little bracket down right there. I got this top one right here. All you need to do is pop the hood strut onto the thing. All you're gonna do is think it makes sense for it to go. Which way it's supposed to go?
Bottom side down.
Bottom side, this side.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, that's what I thought. All you do is pop it in there like that. Let down the hood a little. And like that.
Is it the same thing as with the hood, the ding on?
Hood prop.
Just me? Oh, I guess it raises a little. Well, I guess this side will be up like this, so it's a little bit higher.
Yeah. It's a little more. I mean, the main thing is you don't have to work around this.
That is true. You don't have to have that in your face.
Like, earlier when I was hard wiring my dash cam, I like fucking smacked this thing and the hood almost dropped on me. Always have a friend to hold the hood for you. And you gotta work around them.
I'm paid, by the way.
Definitely not. I don't make money from this. Other side is the same thing, basically.
Time to do the same thing all over again.
Yeah. Derek didn't film me because he sucks.
I was too busy playing with the bubble wrap.
We got it on. Right? It's both sides are on. You saw me put on that side. It's the same thing. So now the hood stands up on its own. Like no hot rod. I could actually remove this and save weight if I wanted. I'll apply the small amounts of lube that you get. And that should complete the install. How little you get.
What the fuck?
Such a
That's it?
small amount. But I guess that's all you need, and then just give you
And a Q-tip.
a standard Q-tip. I mean, I don't know if there's a specific way to do it. So, like, if there is, and I'm doing it wrong, don't come at me. But I would assume you just kind of put it on here, put it around, and then when you close it, the rod will go in, and then it will spread the lube around, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of rub it on there. Get it everywhere else but the hydraulic too. That's what you want. It's so easy. Like boom, open the hood. And open the hood. Ow, it burns, it burns. Boom. Wait. Are you even trusted in that? That goes flying open, that's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Finally got both sides on, as you saw. And we're doing like a little like test fit kind of thing. There is like a panel gap difference on each side. You can see this side is like a lot smaller, and then if you look at the headlight area right here, compared to this side's like the gap is a lot bigger. Same with this side, and I mean I'm sure I can get it like right by like, you know, unbolting all this stuff and kind of trying to move it over. But honestly, that's like a lot of work. I'm lazy as fuck, and it's so hot right now. I don't want to be in the sun anymore. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and then maybe one day I'll try to fix it. It kind of bothers me just knowing it's there, but I'll live with it. I'll figure it out another day. We'll see you again when the other two people get here. We actually wait for Matt and our special guest to get here. I'm just gonna spray down my car. I kind of started with no filming because I'm bad, but I'm just gonna rinse it down and then dry it. No soap or anything. That's gonna take too long. Yo, we got our guest, a special guest for video Monday. We got Spencer Rhines. He lives at... Alright, so as you saw, Spencer got here, and then now finally Matt got here. We were talking about it in the last video. He got some...
He's wearing a large.
He got some earrings. Sheesh, it's drippy. So yeah, Matt finally got here, and we're about to head out. There's probably gonna be hella traffic on the way there.
It's like an hour, I checked.
Yeah, said an hour. So Yeah.
One eternity later.
Finally made it down to our location. We're in this, like, the underground tunnel or bridge or whatever in LA. This area with this little spot that every car person comes to take pictures in LA. It took us a while to get here because we were completely lost. We did not know what streets we were going down. And then one street was a one-way street, and then we ended up at the top. We just ended up asking some dude up there how to get down here, and he just told us and got right down here. So shout out to that guy. Okay. Well, yeah, take some pictures. Go check them out on Instagram. Mine and Derek's, and then Matt's also taking some pictures. He also has an Instagram account. We'll take a look at his. Follow Spencer.
Follow me on Instagram.
What's your?
At Spencer Rhymes. No space, no caps.
That was pretty cool.
There he goes.
Oh my god. Alright guys. About to go to Dave's.
Just got back to my house. Matt and Spencer already left. Derek's about to leave now too. This car is fucking waking up my whole neighborhood. Matt said something about, like, if I tell you guys to only do one thing, then you guys will most likely do it. So do one thing and do either the subscribe, the like, or the comment. I don't care which one. Just do one of them.
I thought he meant to like just say do like just to be like, oh, subscribe.
Yeah, but I'm giving them choices. Because
that's
that
what
might
makes him not do it.
no, because you tell them to subscribe, like, and comment. But I'm saying you can either subscribe, you could either comment, or you can like. You could do one of them. They get choices. They might like that more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know how it's
Do one of those. Yeah. Oh, and shout out to, I think your name is Hater. We got Dave's Hot Chicken again, so you're welcome.
barely.
What do you mean
They're all
barely?
closing, bro.
They closed at 2. We got there at like 10 or not even 10. Yeah, we got there at 10. They closed at 2. All right. Peace out. Go home. Bye. My garage is open still. I gotta go.